Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. This video was with my son doing the installation of my new ported throttle body. My MMX 71mm throttle body from Modern Extreme. So therefore, I'm gonna have him install it. This is something he has never installed before, so this will be his first time doing the throttle body. So we're gonna go ahead and start having him take everything apart so that way we can get ready to install this. Fairly simple, easy project, and I'm quite sure he can handle it. He already said that it wouldn't be a problem. I know this because I've been teaching him pretty good. So let's get into this. Alright, homie. Now, what you gonna do? First of all, and we're getting ready to use my Cobalt toolbox that I got for Christmas. Nobody hasn't seen. Y'all probably have seen it in previous videos, but I never really used it. It's like I just been having it sitting on the back porch and I just been using little bits and pieces out of it. That's why I'm probably missing parts. Some parts is gonna probably be in my little scrap tool bag that I be using in the car, but this is the one that's supposed to go in the Magnum. So let's get back to this. Open your toolbox.
We're missing the other
What are we using this tire for? Huh?
No.
The adapter for the flathead.
No. Yes, we're missing the flathead. That's not what I was.
Okay, because you need that for here. Not unless.
All right, back.
No, you don't have to. You got sockets. They do work with sockets.
How do you?
Yes.
No.
It's like a 8mm. Yeah, buddy. It's getting ready to come up out there. Don't forget what else you need to unplug. Don't just snatch it off. You should be able to. There you go. Let me look at some of these wires down in here. My wires need to be taped up or something. Yep. Before you, oh, okay, you just checking sizes. Don't forget.
Luckily, I grabbed the right one. Warm down there.
Yeah, there you go. You completely unplugged. Alright. My wires are still intact. So therefore, we're gonna tape that up so that way they don't get hot. None of that good stuff. Let's come over here. Got a nice little sticker to put on the window.
Got it on.
Alright. Let's see that one. In the backyard.
I left 2 screws so I know where they go. They match up.
Alright, let's see what that one.
They're both right here beside me.
I know. Yeah, nice, fresh. Let me see that one. Here's the old one. Oh yeah, put both of them in. Old and new. All right. I'll put this old one away. Uh-oh, grab screw. Sorry. Oh, God.
There's still another screw in there.
Yeah. Just grab that one. Got it?
Yeah, it's sitting on the ground.
There you go.
Yeah.
Huh?
I said I almost forgot my tool.
Make sure you put it on there even. Do not over tighten it. Just so you know. Finish with that one. Put that one in the box after you get your screws out and everything. Don't over tighten it.
They're not. I'm not even tightening them. I'm just getting them in there all the way.
Okay. So, I see you riding one hand. So, I told y'all I got something else. So, I ordered it off of eBay. A new intake hose. If I'm correct, I believe it came with the filter and everything. I don't know if we're gonna use that filter. We might just go with mine until I get the new one. But it's called, what is that?
R-Tune Racing.
Yeah.
R-Tunes Racing.
It's called R-Tune Racing.
Tunes.
Tunes with an S at the end. R-Tunes Racing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. This the box. R-Tune Racing, some product I'm gonna try out off of eBay and see how it is. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong worth giving somebody a review and see how they perform, if they're any good. So therefore, I ordered it, and we're gonna see how it works, if it's any good. So while he's tightening up that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give y'all a little taste of whatever's in that box. Y'all hear my monster? That's my monster. So we'll get back to him in a minute.
I'm done.
Oh, see, he done. And now I just need to cut this box off. Mr. Boy Scout,
On my desk.
as I always say, do you have your knife on you?
It's on my desk.
One hand bandit, I see you, girl. One hand bandit. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up for him, so that way, you know what? I'm gonna let him go ahead and finish his work. I'm not gonna bother him. I'm not gonna interrupt him. I'm gonna go ahead and let him finish his work. So yes.
I wanted you to watch me do it.
All right. Don't forget the rest of your work.
This.
No, you got some plug. Wait a minute, mama.
I gotta put this in. And plug
Nope.
it up.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta finish.
You want, is that
Nope.
contact one? Okay.
Yeah. Plug it in.
It's back on there.
All right. So he done his part. Now my part is unboxing. This is where we at. We unboxing. And my son doing the work.
He got the easy part.
It's all right. Learning skills, my good man. Learning skills. Easy part.
It may not be the easy part. You're having issues getting into the box.
I know.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
We don't know.
Not sure right now.
He ain't moving. Wanna go walk down?